In today's video, we're diving deep into the ultimate showdown, LegalZoom versus ZenBusiness. We're talking about two of the biggest names in the business formation space, both aiming to make entrepreneurship more accessible. But they approach it from slightly different angles, and for you, that difference could mean saving time, money, and a whole lot of stress. You see, for aspiring entrepreneurs, the initial hurdles of legal setup, forming an LLC, incorporating a C Corp or S Corp, securing an employer identification number or EIN, and navigating compliance can feel overwhelming. It's enough to make some people give up before they even start. That's why services that streamline these processes have become so popular. They act as your guide, handling the filings and ensuring you meet all the necessary requirements to get your business off the ground legally and efficiently. But it's not just about getting the paperwork filed. It's about understanding the long-term implications, the ongoing compliance needs, and getting the right support as your business grows. Is one better for a lean startup focused purely on cost efficiency? Or is the other more suited for a business that anticipates needing a broader range of legal services down the line? These are the crucial questions we'll be answering today. Let's start by laying out what each platform generally offers. LegalZoom is a well-established giant in the online legal services industry. They've been around for over 2 decades, offering a very broad spectrum of legal solutions, from personal legal documents like wills and trusts to comprehensive business formation and intellectual property protection. Their reputation is built on this extensive range of services, aiming to be a one-stop shop for all your legal needs, business or personal. ZenBusiness, on the other hand, is a newer player, founded in 2015, but they've rapidly gained traction by focusing specifically on empowering small business owners and entrepreneurs. Their core strength lies in simplifying the business formation process, offering a more streamlined and often more affordable approach to getting your LLC or corporation set up, with an emphasis on ongoing compliance support. They pride themselves on a user-friendly experience and transparent pricing. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty pricing and packages. This is often where the rubber meets the road for most new businesses. Both LegalZoom and ZenBusiness offer tiered packages, but their pricing structures and what's included can differ significantly. ZenBusiness often stands out with its attractive starting points. They offer a starter package that can be as low as $0 plus state fees. This typically includes the basic LLC filing service and often a free year of registered agent service, which is a crucial legal requirement for every LLC. Their higher-tier Pro and Premium packages add on valuable features like expedited filing, an operating agreement, EIN registration, and even business website and email services. ZenBusiness is known for its clear, upfront pricing, and while there are add-ons, they tend to be less aggressively pushed than with some competitors. Their focus is on providing a comprehensive, all-in-one solution within their packages and their registered agent service, after the first free year, typically renews at a more competitive rate than LegalZoom. LegalZoom also offers a $0 plus state fees basic package for LLC formation. However, a key difference often lies in what's not included in that basic package. Essential services like registered agent service are often an additional, recurring cost right from the start, and it can be significantly higher than ZenBusiness's annual fee. LegalZoom's packages, like their Economy, Standard, and Express Gold, can quickly add up as you start selecting the features you truly need, such as an operating agreement, EIN, or compliance services. While they offer a wide array of standalone legal services, these often come with separate fees, making the total cost for a fully functional business setup potentially higher than ZenBusiness. Some users report a more aggressive upselling approach from LegalZoom, which can be a bit off-putting if you're trying to stick to a budget. Next up, speed and efficiency. When you're eager to launch your business, processing times matter. ZenBusiness generally has a strong reputation for faster processing times. Their basic packages often quote filing times in the range of 7 to 10 business days, with expedited options significantly cutting that down, sometimes to just a few business days. They focus on quick turnaround to get your business filed with the state as efficiently as possible. LegalZoom's processing times can vary more widely. While they offer expedited options with their higher-tier packages, their standard processing for basic plans can take anywhere from 10 to 30 business days, sometimes even longer depending on the state and current volume. If speed is a top priority for you, ZenBusiness often has the edge here, even before considering any expedited filing fees. Now, let's talk about ongoing support and additional services. Forming your business is just the first step. Maintaining compliance and having access to legal resources are crucial for long-term success. ZenBusiness really shines in its focus on ongoing compliance. Their worry-free compliance service, often included in higher plans or as an affordable add-on, helps you stay on top of annual reports and other state requirements. They also offer a user-friendly online dashboard to manage your documents and notifications. Beyond formation, ZenBusiness also provides services like domain name registration, business email, and even bookkeeping tools, all designed to support the early stages of a small business. Their customer support consistently receives high marks for responsiveness and helpfulness. LegalZoom, with its broader scope, offers a vast array of legal services beyond just business formation. This includes trademark and copyright registration, intellectual property protection, legal advice plans with attorney consultations, and a comprehensive library of legal documents and templates. If you anticipate needing ongoing legal guidance across various aspects of your business, or if intellectual property protection is a significant concern, LegalZoom's extensive legal offerings could be a major draw. However, accessing these services often means additional costs, either through a subscription plan or per service fees. Their customer service, while generally good, can sometimes be perceived as more sales-oriented, and some users have reported less personalized interactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.